Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will show you how to buy LADYS Meme Coin on Huobi Global. Milady is a meme coin of the Milady NFT Collection. LADYS is the tokenization of the fully memetically optimized white pill. Based on CoinGecko, the Milady Meme Coin can be traded on MEXC, BitGet Exchange, Huobi, and so on. Now let me show you how to buy LADYS coin on Huobi Global. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Huobi Global, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get 3 rewards. A 5,672 USDT welcome bonus, 50% off fees up to 30 days, and 10 USDT futures trial bonus. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Huobi app and make sure you have USDT on your account. To buy LADYS coin, go to the Markets tab. Tap this search logo and search for LADYS and choose LADYS USDT pairs. Click on the Trade button. Under the Spot tab, you select Buy Here. This red section shows the sell orders, and the green part show the buy orders. The middle part is the current market token price. Keep it under Limit Order for us to set our buy price. Here you enter the price you want to buy your LADYS coin. And here you enter the amount of LADYS coin you want to purchase. Let me use 50% of my available USDT to buy Milady Meme Coin. Once all is set, you tap on the Buy button. Your buy order will usually show under Open Orders. Once your set buy price is triggered, it will be executed automatically. To cancel your trade, click Cancel here. To check your trade history, click here. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.